How to delete Uber account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Uber account. Now the process is quite simple, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your app, Uber app, and there make sure you're logged into your account that you want to delete. Now here, once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on account option there, and what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings next. You can see the settings option. Simply tap on it, and once here you want to head into the privacy option. You can see the privacy option below the shortcuts option. Tap on privacy option, and again you can see privacy center. Take control of your privacy and learn how we protect it. Trick here is simply tap on privacy center option, and once you do so, you'll be headed into another page. Here now you can see various options: apps and data, communications, offers and promos. You want to scroll down further below, and under account security you'll find the option account deletion. Simply tap on account deletion, and it'll ask you for email verification. Once you enter in your email and your password verification, once you do so, your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Uber account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.